Hey folks, thanks for tuning into my channel. Have you ever gone to the nail salon for an acrylic soak-off and wish you hadn't? Did you pay over $20 at the nail shop to look like an antenna trying to catch a radio frequency? Did a tech pop off your acrylic nail with another nail tip? Did your nail bed get damaged? Stop it, sis. Let me show you a way to soak off your nail extensions safely at home without damaging your nail bed. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to do an acrylic soak-off in 20 minutes or less. Tools and materials. You'll need a nail table, 100% acetone, a metal cuticle pusher, a durable bowl, I use a tent bowl, a glass nail dish with a lid, a hot water source, lint-free napkins, towels, safety goggles, and an N95 mask. A few safety precautions. Yes, try this at home, but let's be safe about it. If you're under age 12, you need parental supervision. If you're over age 12 but under 18, if you're a little immature, you still may need parental supervision. If you're over 18, you got this, sis. You're a boss. Don't do this near an open flame or electricity. You're working with chemicals. Take off all metal or plastic jewelry, real or costume, so it doesn't react with the chemicals. Do this in a well-ventilated area. Don't catch the vapors. Maybe even wear a mask. Wear eyeglasses for safety. Yes, you could use those science goggles beyond high school, sis. Prepare your hot water in advance. A warm simmer can work, but try not to take your water to a rolling boil because the water will be too hot and you can burn yourself. Take your glass nail dish and place it into your durable bowl. I use a tent bowl. The reason I use the tent bowl is because it can withstand the heat. Open your acetone bottle and pour the acetone into the glass dapping dish about 3/4 of the way. Put your lid on top of the glass dish. Then, you're going to pour your warm water around the glass dish with the acetone bath in it. The acetone will heat up to the same temperature as the hot water within seconds. Open your glass lid and soak the nails in the acetone bath. Remove your hand from the acetone every few minutes and scrape the acrylic residue off with the metal cuticle pusher. Repeat this process until all of the nails are completely clean. Discard any cooled off water and add more warm water to the bowl around the acetone bath. Reheat the water in between uses if you need to, and just repeat the steps until you have clean nails free of most of the acrylic. You just learned a safe way to soak off your nail extensions without damaging your nails at home. After this process, you're ready to either wear your nails as is or start the nail prep process for your next nail application. If you want to learn how to prep your nails for acrylic or a gel manicure, then click the next video in the upper right hand corner of this video right now. I'll also leave a link in the description box. Are you new to nails? Are you teaching yourself acrylic nails? Do you have questions? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you within 48 hours. Check out other videos that I have here on my channel. As always, thanks for watching, guys.